What's up guys, today we're gonna make potato cheese balls. So first, we need to boil the potatoes. Once they're boiled, we need to mash them. Take a pan and put some butter in it. Then put some flour in the pan. Then mix both of the ingredients. So then add the potatoes in the pan. Add half teaspoon of black pepper. Add Knorr cubes for taste. You need to beat them up. Then cut some cheese into cubes. Add cheese cubes in the potato mix and blend. Once mixed, make some small balls. Like that. Next, dip the balls in egg. Just like that. Finally, we need to fry them. If the color is brown or golden, that means they're done. Now that they're done, let's eat them. Now it's time to eat it. It's so good. This is so easy to make and so yummy. You must try it.